Sharp had rolled out the long-awaited Android 8.0 Oreo update a month ago, and I had tested it for around a month. In this video, I will tell you what is the changes that made available on Sharp Aquos S2 after Android 8.0 Oreo update. I'm Alex Ong from Mr. Tax, and you are now watching the Sharp Aquos S2 Android 8.0 Oreo update video. Let us start with the UI. During Android 7.1.1 Nougat, every user are complaining that the font and icon is too small even after doing some adjustment in the settings. However, after Android 8.0 Oreo update, Sharp decided to increase the size of the font and icon. Now, everything looks too big. Besides that, Sharp moved the clock from the right corner to the left corner just like on Android 9P. Whether it is on the right or on the left, it doesn't affect my usage. There are some changes on the lock screen too. When you swipe to the left, you will find some shortcuts like flashlight, voice recorder, calculator, and memo. Talking about the lock screen, stock Android media notifications will show you the album art, but on Sharp Aquos S2, it just simply changed the color of the notification. It does not show you the album art at all. This is somehow disappointing as I do really love media notification. Even after Android 8.0 Oreo update, Sharp still have not improved the battery percentage indication. Wait, some of you will be having some question marks because Sharp do include battery percentage indication on Sharp Aquos S2, but the battery percentage indication will be gone when charging. The only way you want to know about the battery percentage is to look for it on the lock screen when charging. Let's move on to other improvements. Sharp still included the picture-in-picture mode on Sharp Aquos S2, but the quick switch feature is still nowhere to be seen. For Malaysia, picture-in-picture mode only works with Google Maps, as Google only opened up YouTube picture-in-picture mode without rate subscription in the US. After Android 8.0 Oreo update, many are complaining that the apps will not go full screen. In order to force apps to go into full screen, you will need to go to Developer Options, turn on All Screen Optimization, go to Other Settings, go into Accessibility and turn on Force Full Screen. Let's move on to the under the hood changes. Android Oreo Bluetooth audio codec is here too, but it is hard to predict. I tested it with Sony 1000X Mark II, which supports not only LDAC but also apt-X, apt-X HD, and so on. After I connect Sharp Aquos S2 to Sony 1000X M2, it shows that it is only using SBC. Unlike on HTC U11, I could choose between LDAC, apt-X, apt-X HD, and so on. Either Sharp did not pay for apt-X, apt-X HD, and LDAC, or it just having some bug that prevent it from accessing apt-X, apt-X HD, and LDAC. One thing that really surprised me is that Sharp managed to include travel and seamless system updates on Sharp Aquos S2. Not all smartphones support both travel and seamless system updates even for big brands. Thank you Sharp for following Google's guidelines. So, what do you think about the Android 8.0 Oreo update on Sharp Aquos S2? Did you get Android 8.0 Oreo on your Sharp Aquos S2, or you are still waiting? That is all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. See you on the next video.